Nowadays, there are many incidents that are caused by shipwrecks, medical emergencies, and natural catastrophes that put the lives of thousands of people around the world at risk.
In these cases, the response time by the rescue units is crucial. The aid is provided through conventional land and air transport that normally uses a great amount of resources that could be used more efficiently. Here, in Imagine Drones, we have designed an idea that involves the use of drones with their new translation systems, which allows to minimize the response time and increase the range of action to help the rescue units in their work.
Drones are an effective response to this kind of problem, but they are an emerging alternative in this field, and it's a technology that still needs to be improved.
This technology can be implemented in different ways. Imagine being stranded in the middle of the ocean. The drone could deploy a lifeboat to save the person. Imagine being bitten by a snake in a remote area. The drone could help deploy an antidote or any other medical equipment in the area. Also, in the situation of a natural disaster like a flooding or a wildfire, where the access to the affected area is restricted, the drone could film the area as part of a reconnaissance mission.
The drone optimizes the weight and the energy necessary to operate by requiring only two rotors and pendular systems that use the own mass of the drone to allow its operations. With the able to carry up to 10 kilograms of auxiliary equipment, our drone becomes a versatile and adaptable tools for each specific situation, allowing to maximize the chance of the success in a rescue and contained missions.
Flying further, longer, and cleaner can save a life. Imagine Drones.